Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. We have Miss Olivia, or AKA Snowflake Kitten. All right, you guys, so it's almost Valentine's Day, and Liv really wants to make a chocolate heart cake for Doug for Valentine's Day. We made him little gifts for Valentine's Day this year, which was so much fun. For today's video, we're just going to be doing a cook with me and Liv. So if this is not your cup of tea, if you're not into cooking with toddlers, don't worry, just skip it. Just move right on past it. But if this is content that you guys like to see, if you just like day in the life hanging out with me and Liv, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports our channel. And if you hit that little notification bell, it'll just send you a notification when our next video comes out, and you don't want to miss them because we got some good stuff coming. Hi, little snowflake. Aww, I love you. So without further ado, let's make a chocolate cake. Liv, or little snowflake, what do you start this week?
Tiny tots.
She starts Tiny Tots this week, and because she's starting the day after Valentine's Day, we need to make some Valentines for the other kids in your class. So this is just gonna be a fun Valentine's Day vlog. We're gonna go on a Valentine's Day date tomorrow, and it's gonna be so much fun. It's a beautiful weekend, so it'll be fun. We'll take you guys along. We'll just do a Valentine's Day vlog. All right, should we make a chocolate cake for Daddy? All right, this is definitely not going to be a SIBO gut friendly recipe that I can eat. I just can't eat sweets like this. They just don't make my body feel good. It doesn't help with my inflammation with psoriatic arthritis. It doesn't work with my SIBO gut issues, but my family can still eat these treats, and I want Liv to grow up knowing that everything in moderation is okay, and making cakes and cookies is fun, and we like doing this kind of stuff together. Yeah.
I want to eat some Dad's cake with him. His cake.
Absolutely. That would be so much fun. This is not a SIBO gut recipe, but this is just a fun bake with me and Liv. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I found this recipe, which just seems pretty basic. It's called the best chocolate cake recipe ever. And I just happen to have all of these ingredients, so we're gonna roll with that. I think I've made this one before and it's delicious, although I think I made it into cupcakes. That's okay. Plot twist, I don't have a heart-shaped cake pan, and by the time she had asked me, I couldn't get a heart-shaped cake pan to get to my house before the 14th. So I'm going with my old trusty
Mommy,
circle.
Is this a pan?
Yeah, it's called a cake pan.
Ooh, I never gonna seen this one of them like this.
I know, because I always make cupcakes, huh? I'm better with cupcakes.
Do we make cupcakes in this?
We don't, we're gonna make a cake. And then we're gonna cut it into the shape of a heart. So we're gonna take our circle and we're gonna make a heart. And then we'll cut it out.
Wait, Mom. We can make a big circle first in this one, and then we can cut it, and then we can shape it like a house.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, and tiny with a house.
Yeah. First things first, let's get some ingredients. Also, disclaimer, we're still working on the kitchen, so there you go.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
We're making some Valentines. A heart? What's on the front? A bouquet of flowers. What does it say on the inside, Miss Olivia? Aww, beautiful. What else does it say?
It says, Happy Valentine's Day, Dada. Happy Valentine's Day, Olivia. Snowflake. And Happy Valentine's Day, Mama. And Happy Valentine's Day, Phoebe. Happy Valentine's Day, Yaya. And it also says, you, Mom, Dad, Snowflake,
I love you.
Yaya, Phoebe.
You just gave Mom a snuggle. I need a snuggle.
Daddy?
Olivia, do you want to cut the cake into a heart?
Okay.
Give me that no.
All right, guys, excuse the mess in the background. We're making Valentine's Day for Tiny Tots. So exciting. So I checked, and actually the heart shape that we made for our Tiny Tots card, so cute, it fits perfectly in our 9-inch cake. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just trace this guy on some parchment paper. Yeah, in the center, like right in the center, and pretty gentle, okay? All right, you guys, we've officially hit that time of day where the sun is just beaming in here, which I love it. It's so beautiful, but also, are we seeing this? This was purple a few hours ago. Look at it. Yes. Oh my gosh. I have to film that for the kitchen renovation. Doug and Liv are actually playing outside right now. So while they're outside playing, I am going to make a strawberry filling for the cake. Liv and I will decorate it maybe when they're done swinging outside, but I'm excited. This is turning out a lot better than I was expecting, so it's pretty exciting. Yeah, so let's get going. Let's make this strawberry sauce. I just looked up strawberry filling, so I'll have all of these recipes linked in the description box down below. It looks tasty. Just like strawberries and sugar. What else do you need?
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
So the strawberry filling is cooling. Liv has joined us. She's gonna help us make some frosting. I'm gonna make a chocolate buttercream frosting for this, and then have the strawberry filling, and then we're gonna decorate it, possibly. We'll see how the day goes.
Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere.
Okay, you guys. So we had a minor malfunction. I thought I was filming for a lot of this, but it cut itself off and I'm not sure really what happened. So we have our chocolate heart cake that Liv really wanted for Doug for Valentine's Day. We're celebrating Valentine's Day tomorrow. We're going out to our favorite winery because it's outdoors, really fun, really laid back. So I'll take you guys along with me there. I'm just gonna vlog tomorrow, so I'll insert that clip at the end, so stay tuned for that. If this was content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. If you hit that little notification bell, it'll just send you a video when my next video comes out. Come join the fam. I would love to have you here. We have so much fun here, so much love and encouragement for you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It was so much fun. Liv's playing in the bathtub with Doug right now. And Liv and I had so much fun making this cake together. And you guys get like a little sneak peek of our backsplash that the renovation series hasn't even gotten yet. So you're welcome. Stay tuned for that.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what
That's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I love ya. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I cooked it. Peanut. I cooked it.
Okay, let's see. 3.